Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Law Success. LLB or law as a profession is always in demand among students, but nowadays it is becoming more popular and in great demand day by day. But the question is, what is LLB? LLB stands for Legum Baccalaureus in Latin and popularly known as Bachelor of Law. It is a 3-year law degree course and a postgraduate program pursued after completion of graduation. Though it is mandatory to possess an undergraduate degree in order to apply for 3 years LLB course, but there is a 5-year undergraduate degree program which is called BLLB, BCom LLB, etc. A candidate can opt for this integrated program after completion of class 12th with any stream or any discipline. The upper age limit has been removed by BCI or Bar Council of India for LLB courses. So if you are worrying about the age limit for LLB courses, then need not to worry about it, and candidates seeking admission to the course can apply if they fulfill other eligibility criteria to take admission in it. LLB courses is offered by various law institutes and universities as per the guidelines mandated by the Bar Council of India or BCI. Admissions to this program are done on the basis of entrance exams conducted by NLUs or the respective private universities. But some of the private universities also offer direct admission to the program to candidates who have completed their bachelor's. There are some popular LLB entrance exams like Common Law Admission Test or CLAT is a centralized national level entrance test for admissions to 22 national law universities or NLU in India. Delhi University LLB entrance test, BHU undergraduate entrance test or UET law, Andhra Pradesh Law Common Entrance Test or AP Law Set examination is a state level examination. LPU NEST Lovely Professional University National Entrance and Scholarship Test. LLB is a career option having very wide scope and bright future prospects. Candidates who have completed LLB choose to work as lawyers and are allowed to practice as a lawyer after registering themselves at the Bar Council of India or BCI. Note that LLM is not mandatory requirement for a bright career in law. Anyone can achieve great career opportunities even after completing LLB. After completing LLB, there are some important job profiles that can be considered are advocate, district and session judge, attorney general, solicitor, public prosecutor. Apart from this, one can also work as legal advisor for firms, families or organizations, legal manager, associate attorney, law professor, legal counselor, legal consultant, etc. Thanks for watching.